The activated sludge is about 97% water. So, it cannot be used like this only. So, it is dried through sand drying beds or with the help of machines, and this dried sludge can also be converted to manures and used in our fields for better yield of agriculture. Now, see, we have not wasted anything from water. Water has gone back also after being treated, and the contaminants which are actually harmful have been rendered harmless and in fact made useful and utilized. So, see, at individual level also we have to be very, very careful. We have to be a dedicated, a sincere and an aware citizen. For this purpose, not only we need to use water carefully, judiciously and conserve water, we also have to be careful what kind of waste we are adding. For example, when you are working in kitchen, don't throw fat or oil in the sink, because this can get hardened and it can choke the drains. Even if you pour oil or fat in open drains, it chokes the soil pores and so affects the filtration. So, you have to be very careful not to throw fats and oils in water or in soil or open drains. Second precaution can be, don't throw clothes or rags or sanitary towels in water, because they also choke drains and that can be a problem. Polythene bags and plastics, because they are non-biodegradable, they also choke drains and in fact that can be very harmful. So, that is why they say no to polythene bags. When you are straining tea, what do you do with your tea leaves? Do you throw them in the drains? Then in no time your drain will be choked, and then probably you will have to add some chemical like Drain-X to clean the drain. So, it is better not to throw this. In fact, all this biodegradable material like vegetable and fruit peels, tea leaves, etc., can be collected and put in a compost pit, and you can get your own compost for your kitchen garden or for a little garden or your potted plants. In fact, tea leaves can be directly added onto the pots or your garden, and what will happen is this will add humus and organic matter to your soil and also not choke your drains. So, double benefit, isn't it? Like they say in the case of again KBC, double dubki. So, here you have two advantages. You are not harming your environment and you are also taking benefit. So, that is the role of an aware and sensitive citizen. Never think, what can I do alone? Because individuals only make a society and a community. Unless we are careful at our own level, we cannot expect that we can conserve our environment and our water and everything else around us. If we want to save earth, we have to be very, very conscientious.